everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been great. I have really missed you guys. I was actually really busy planning a wedding and getting married. So here we are 3 months later. I'm so sorry I've been MIA. I will be sure to again start posting more regularly, once a week like I aim for. Since I just went through some hectic wedding planning and having a really successful wedding day, I thought that I would share some planning and some tips for you guys if you're getting married. This video in particular is going to be about the bride's makeup, actually an Indian bride's makeup. And so the main colors of this look are going to be gold and red because my theme of the wedding was gold and red, and I've seen most Indian themed weddings are gold and red. So if you guys are American brides and you want a more natural and a, American makeup look, then please comment down that below and I will do my next video on that. Also, if you guys are having trouble wedding planning and want to know everything that goes into it because you're getting married, I'm making a video about that as well. So make sure you subscribe so you can see my future videos and maybe I can help you out on having a very successful wedding day. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face. I'm using the Olay Micro Sculpting Moisturizer. If you're a bride right now, you know that it's pretty stressful planning a wedding. It was totally worth it. It was fun. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys that it's gonna be stressful up until the very day of your wedding. And once it starts, that's when you'll have time to relax. So I'm gonna be using a primer. I got a sample from Sephora. Make sure you don't forget the neck. Alright, the next step is the foundation. Before I bought this foundation for my wedding day, I googled the best foundation and this was like in the top 2. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. It's a bit expensive, but for your wedding day, I really recommend this because it lasted such a long time on my face. My wedding was like 8.5 hours and I'm telling you, this foundation was a lifesaver and I'm so glad I invested in it. So this foundation makes you look very natural and you can build it up, but I chose not to build it up too much on my wedding day because honestly, I didn't even have time to do my makeup. I barely had any time. I had like an hour and a half to get ready and do my makeup, and you guys know that's just not happening. But I rushed my makeup on my wedding day just because I was setting up and doing all this stuff. We just didn't have enough people to help us out. So unfortunately, I was stuck doing a lot of the stuff before my very wedding day. But anyway, this foundation is an A+. Also, brides, make sure that you try your wedding makeup before your wedding day because otherwise it can be really stressful, like picking out what you want to do for your makeup. A lot of people hire makeup artists and I tried to hire. I had one girl that I wanted, only one out of all the ones that I scouted, because her makeup was more professional and like something that I would actually like, and she was not available on my wedding day. So I was like, you know what, I'm not picking anybody else. I'm not trusting anybody else with my makeup. I'm gonna do it myself, and I'm so glad I did because I would have not been happy if somebody messed up my makeup on my wedding day. And some people consider themselves makeup artists and they do terrible makeup. So if you can't find one, do it yourself, I'm gonna be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk concealer. Yeah, I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes, down my nose, a little on my forehead, above my lips because I have some dark spots. I'm glad I did my own makeup even though I didn't have enough time. I wasn't 100% happy with it just because I didn't have enough time, but there's not much you can do about it on your wedding day anyway. I also had to get my hair done and I was really disappointed with my hair. I was so disappointed. That lady took $100 to do my hair and I showed her a picture and I barely got anything like that photo that I showed her. But you know what? Not everything is gonna go perfect on your wedding day, and that's okay. Alright, my next step is gonna be contouring before I put on powder. So for my contour on my wedding day, I actually used the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. And I love this palette. I have had it forever and I really trust in it. And I'm gonna use the darkest color. I'm just gonna put it around my forehead first. And then under my cheekbones. Then around my cheek like this and under my jawline. Okay, now I'm gonna shape my nose. and just blend this baby. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a contouring powder. This is actually a bronzer. It's called the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that in a 3 shape. We're just gonna go around wherever I contoured. All right, I'm gonna go back in with my blender and just go ahead and blend everything in again. All right, now we're gonna go in with some powder. This is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room 147. All right, for my brows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. First, you're gonna outline your brow. And when you're doing the front, make sure you only put in light pressure. Outline the way you want. I like to arch it a little bit in the end because that makes your eyebrow look more lifted. Blend it out with this poof. Fill in the end. Blend out. I'm gonna clean it up in a bit. The next eyebrow product I'm gonna be using is the Milk Kush Fiber Gel. I really love this gel, it's amazing. Now it's time to clean up the brow. And then use a flat brush to blend. Alright, now the last step to the brows is taking some soap and having a wet sploof and just setting your brows in place. Now since we're already this close, let's go ahead and do the eye makeup. For my primer, I'm going to be using my concealer. Go ahead and blend it out. So for my eye makeup, I'll be using a couple of different palettes. The first palette I'm going to be using is the Zova Spice of Life. This shade right here. And I think it matches the most with my skin. So just to smooth out the concealer, I'm going to put that all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to be using this color right here. This is the same palette I used for my wedding day. This is the Surprise of Life. And we're just going to take that on a brush like this. And we're going to put this all in our crease. Now we're going to take this Variety is Key color. It's a bit darker. And put it in the corner of my eye right here. I'm going to take a brush and help blend all of this together. Now I'm going to take the Flavor, I think. It's a pretty nice gold. I'm gonna put it right in the corner. Then I'm gonna be taking the PUR Festival palette and I'm gonna be using this red glitter over here. This is honestly what I use on my wedding day. So I use this because I knew that I wouldn't need a sticky base because it's already sticky, and I'm gonna gently press that into the middle of my lid. Alright, now I'm gonna take a bit of a tiny brush and go back with the Surprise of Life and this color under my eye. Okay, and the darker color I'm only gonna put on the end. In the inside I'm gonna add some shimmer, of course, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my eyeliner. I realized I should have done my eyeliner before I did the glitter. the glitter is getting all over the eyeliner. So do the eyeliner before you do the glitter. Alright, now I want a little pokey thing in the in my inner eye. The other side of the eyeliner. Sorry guys, my camera died. Alright, I was actually using another eyeliner, and I was just lining my bottom waterline. Alright, now all that's left to do is put on some mascara, or you can put on some lashes, fake lashes. I'm really not good at putting on lashes, so I'm just gonna put on some mascara. This is the Milk Kush mascara. Bottom lashes, of course, don't forget it. I'm actually gonna take some eyeliner and I'm gonna go under my top waterline. I'm gonna use this product over here. You can find it on Amazon, and it helps with your eyelashes if they're too clumpy. I'm gonna be using a red blush. This is the Baked Blush and Bright by Laura Geller. I'm actually gonna go back in with my eyeliner and attach it right here, because that's really bothering me. Now to my lipstick. I'm gonna be using, what does it say? It's Monroe and Kveen. Queen. Whatever. I'm gonna be using this highlighter. This is the Glodian makeup palette, and it is gorgeous. Closest to my skin tone, which is, oh my gosh, this one. To finish off, I'm actually going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I used this on my wedding day, and believe me guys, this is probably the best thing that helps your makeup stay on and last all day. Okay guys, this is basically how it looked on my wedding day, except I didn't have my nose ring because like I had no idea how to put this shit in. Apparently it's not even that hard. So guys, as you can tell, this eye makeup is very dramatic because all the jewelry and everything you're wearing is also very, very dramatic. Like, look at all this. Look at all of this. And I had to wear this for like an hour. And it weighs a lot, guys. It weighs like about, I think, 15 pounds because it's really heavy, and whew, I was dying on my wedding day. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. And if you guys have any other suggestion for videos, you want to see like a American bridal makeup look, I am more than happy to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this Indian one. I really liked it because honestly, I had all the time I needed today, and I still ended up doing pretty much the same makeup. And so I'm really happy that I did this because I kind of regretted the makeup I did because I did it so fast, but I feel like I'm like a makeup artist. I believe I am a makeup artist, and I did it to the best of my ability. And so I'm actually really happy that I did this. Like, I did the makeup look again because it's making me reminisce and I'm gonna cry. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you on your wedding day, and I hope you have a wonderful wedding. Be sure to be in the moment and enjoy your friends and your family's company because it's one of the most amazing days in your life. And I know that sounds cheesy, but it is so true. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed, because I did.